And I've talked to them even like last week that when are you going to put the fridge inside, and they're like, oh, we're looking for it, we'll put it down in like a while. And that while it's been like I don't know how many months. Maybe it's been more than a month, right?
It's so funny. We just have that.
Yeah.
Just put it